Yun. Hello. So, good day, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening to everyone. So, checking lang. Mic test, mic test. Guys, okay ba yung mic? Dinig naman. Can you type yes if okay yung mic? So, hello to our audiences right now. So, I want to greet Sir Den. Hello. Sir June. Hi, Coach. Ma'am Joyce. Hello. Yan. John Lawrence. Yan. Actually, marami, no? And siguro hindi pa tayo kahit mga 30 seconds to 1 minute. Okay lang? Yun. Ma'am Christina. Hello. Ma'am Lorena. Hello. Sir Sean. Sir Joel. I see familiar names. And I think itong mga ito kilala pa since pandemic. And some of them are my students in my local SEO masterclass na ano, nakakaantig lang ng puso kasi up to now, kahit yung course na yun is ginawa nung pandemic, until now meron pa rin mga nag-enroll. Pero this time guys, this is not a course. So this is pure learnings. Since we are in the AI age, so napakaraming nangyari when AI hits the industry, lalo na sa digital marketing. So before, if you are into SEO, yan, local SEO, ngayon, level na yung play field. So if you are just starting pa lang in the freelancing industry, I think this is the best time for you to step up. Because, yan, one of the reason is kasi marami, even us, actually I, and sa mga hindi pa nakakilala sa akin, no, I'm Adrian Ganya. So I'm doing local SEO, and way back 2010, I started web development, and then paunti-unti upskill, nag-SEO, e-com SEO, iba-iba, and then yan, local SEO, and then ngayon with AIH, syempre kailangan nating sabayan. So right now there's GEO, yan, AI overviews, kung paano magparang sa mga ChatGPT search, yan, sa mga AI searches. So hello Sir Freginel Hantulos, Ali Mejoranda, Mastermind, and Sir Jonathan. Sir, nice to see you again. Nagkita kami ni Sir Jonathan nung last high level yun, no, Sir? Sir Jonathan? Na, sa high level last year lang ata, no? Yun, 2023 masterclass. 2020, 3 years na. Nice to see you again, Sir. Mastermind. And following since 2010, ayan, Sir Reden. My brother. Yan. So, siguro pwede na to. Start na natin. Anyways, guys, this will be recorded. And for those that are not able to attend the live webinar, we have a replay that will be posted on our group. We have an exclusive group for this one. So siguro pakita ko na rin, no? Para sa mga interested, for those individuals starting freelancers or who wants to upskill, learn different methods when it comes to ranking on Google and AI searches. So we've created a community for those kind of specialties. Siguro search, teka lang. Yan. So ito siya, I believe. So, konting patalastas lang habang hinintay natin. So, it's called GMAPS Ranker. Yan, ito. So, GMAPS Ranker. Oops. Local SEO lead generation and AI automation group. So, right now we are 200. So, in the span of, I think, 7 or 10 days pa lang. So, we are already 200 in here. And soon, day by day, I'll be sharing some valuable tips, videos on how to grow in this industry. Lalo na with the AI, napakabilis na mga pangyayari. Actually, nagbabalak kaming magkaroon ng SEO conference, kahit ano lang, kahit maliit lang, dito sa Pampanga. Pero kung ang itatakel namin is more on SEO lang, huling-huli na kami. So kaya I am still waiting for some few individuals to join the bandwagon para makabuo kami ng isang what you call this? Isang buong pack wherein freelancers will be able to learn aside from SEO, web dev, AI automation, yan, ilalagay namin, and possibly with the use of Claude. Yan, and napakaraming AI skills na pwedeng matutunan ngayon na napakabilis lang. And if you know vibe coding, yan. So we are still planning for that. So I hope we can be able to release it this year or probably by next year on the first quarter of 2027. So yun, siguro pwede na to. So yan. So yan, sige. So hi everyone. Thank you for joining us today. Again, I'm Coach Adrian Ganya. I'm a local SEO expert and founder of GMAPS Ranker AI. And in this free webinar, I'll show you how freelancers, agency owners, digital marketers, and even local business owners can use AI and Google Maps to find qualified clients faster, to save hours of manual work and grow your business. No? So here's what you will learn. Ito, pakita natin. Yan. So how to find thousands of potential clients using AI automation and Google Maps lead generation strategies that actually work. Actually, for this particular one, I've created a playbook that's already published in the website. Pero siguro, try nating itackle, no, kahit ilan lang sa mga strategies na yon. Na I'm sure some of you pwedeng alam na nila or possible, mostly, not yet. So I think that's a good addition to your bucket list. And then how to create instant SEO audits and website mockups that impress prospects. Before kasi ito ginagawa namin manually. Wherein we are doing manual SEO audits. So we gather information to the clients, and then yun, yung mga students ko sa masterclass, they know how on what's the struggle when it comes to that. Although it will take us probably 5 to 10 minutes of our time, pero this one is in instant. Parang instant cup noodles lang. So ganun. And then with website mockups na, imagine kung halimbawa yung isang business doesn't have any website, which happens a lot of times, no? Hindi lang dito sa Pilipinas kundi pati sa abroad. And take note, guys, that when we are talking about local SEO, we are dealing with international. Hindi lang dito sa local natin sa Philippines. So our target audiences are foreigners, most likely in US, UK, Canada, yan, some part of Europe, those countries that has good economic activity, yan, mga urban cities that needs local services, halimbawa yung mga tubero, plumber, yan, nag-install na solar. So dentists, lawyers. So there's a very huge community or target for those kind of services. And then AI-powered outreach that helps you book more meetings. Yan. Pwede natin i-automate yan. So how to turn these strategies into recurring monthly income. Yan na. Diyan napapasok yung the most juicier part. Monthly recurring. Na? And then ito, yung pinaka-last is the live demo of GMAPS Ranker AI. From finding leads to generating proposals. And just stay tuned, no? Hanggang mamaya, guys, because we'll be giving some GCash prizes and then some AI credits, no? Para magamit nyo ng todo yung platform. Yan, exclusive bonuses for our attendees here in the live stream. So yun, just stay tuned until the end, and we'll also have a Q&A or question and answer later, no? So if you have some questions, so mamaya sasagutin natin mga yan. Okay, so gagawin natin is pupunta na tayo kagad sa mismong platform, no? So let me share my screen. Yan. So let me know, guys, if you are seeing my screen now. Yan. Kita ba? Can you type yes in the chat kung kita?
Hello.
Okay. Check. Yes. Okay, so kita naman, no? So here's the platform that we are using. So GMAPS Ranker is my domain website. And then, yan, dito ko in-integrate lahat ng mga ginagawa namin manually before. No, even my students are doing manually. Now, we can automate most of this. No? So we can turn Google Maps into a predictable client acquisition system. Wherein, paano ba to? Siguro, ano na lang, no? I-walk through na natin para mabilis lang. So dito, ang kakailanganin mo lang naman is to create an account. Yan. So you can use your own Google account to log in. Yan. Yan. So in here, in the dashboard, there's walkthrough guide already that you can follow. So first is this one. So required to just connect the Google Maps, already completed na yan. And then just complete your contact profile. Ito is napaka-importante dahil later, no, is this will be used sa sending of email automation. So say for example, try lang natin, ha? So this is private resort. Okay, ano na lang, prime build. We are into real estate now, so try natin, no? And kagandahan dito is not only for freelancers or for those who are offering services, but this is for B2B as well. For example, no, I have a business, let's say real estate, no? Ngayon nagbebenta kami ng mga residential lots or nagpapalis ng mga house and lot. So in here, there's a tool that we called Business Target Finder. This one, yan, which will be connected to the leads finder later on. So dito, halimbawa, no, let's say lots for sale. Yan, let's say yan ang business or products or services na in-offer ko. Then target lahat Philippines lang, no? Philippines muna. And then just click find best targets. And then yung i-generate na result dito is mamaya gagamitin natin sa lead generation. So while we are waiting for that, let's complete the profile. So, yan. Find build. Yan. Kasi ano lang. Real estate agent. Yan. Okay. Then, profile. Save muna natin to. Edit profile. So, upload your profile photos. Yan, brand logo. You have ito na lang, sample lang naman. Then, yan, ito napaka-importante din guys. Yan. Actually, ito lang naman ang pinaka, I think, isi-set up mo. The rest will be automated na. Yan. If you have LinkedIn, you can connect it as well. Yeah, then Messenger. So if you don't know how to find your Messenger URL, just find ito lang, Google nyo lang. Find Messenger URL. Yun pala. So WhatsApp if you have, and then to Calendly. So for me, okay na to Messenger and Facebook and LinkedIn. Halos to ng mga ginagamit ko lagi. And then Instagram, pwede rin naman lagyan. Then important is your Calendly. Ayan. Calendly.com. Yan. So ito yung mamaya yung magiging para pinaka-footer mo when it comes to email. Then save lang. Don't forget to save. So 88%. So kulang natin is website, Instagram, WhatsApp. So if you have a website, put it as well. So, ayun. Yun. Then save. Yun. So pwede na tayo dyan kahit 92% lang. Yan. Then, okay na to. Okay na. Then back tayo sa dashboard. Tingnan pa natin. So and then connect email provider. Yan. So dito I suggest when it comes to email providers, pinaka magandang nagamit ko is itong Resend. So meron siyang free 100 email sending per day, no limit if you are into a free tier or free package. So actually goods na rin yun, no? Kung you're just starting pa lang, 100 emails to be sent every day, napakaganda na nun, no? Pero kung if you are into, sabihin natin, mag-scale ka pa, so you can go for their other packages. So yan. So all you have to do is log in with your Google account. So ito, no? So mamaya while we are discussing this, no, teka lang, balikan natin to. Yun, so API keys. So punta tayo dito. Yan. So okay na yan. So you can put your email there. And Adrian. And they limit 50 or 100. Pwede. And then resend API. So dito, natin pwede makita yung API. Just go to API keys when you are in tourism.com and then just click create API. So API key, let's say testing. So it's up to you, no? Then add lang. Yun. Then your API key, just copy that. Then paste it here, then connect. So mamaya delete ko lang API key. Just take note guys, when it comes to API keys, make sure na secure nyo yan, no? Because anyone can use your keys kapag expose yun. No? So mamaya, aalisin ko na lang yun, syempre. No, and then just, you can create a test. Just to test out kung it's working. Oops, sorry. Okay. Edit natin yun. Testing natin. Okay, sorry. So, kailangan nating i-add yung domains dito, no? So, okay. Yan. Sige, mamaya natin yun. So, basta yun lang. So, API keys. And then, I believe in here, you need to add your domain. Pero dahil naka-free lang to, ako naman tanggalin to. Sige, ano muna natin dyan. So, okay na muna to, no? So, after nun, ang next natin gagawin is, punta tayo dito ulit. So, let's say, for example, out ko na lang to. Gagamit na tayo ng ibang account. Ito na lang. Yun. Yan. So, for the email provider, yan. So, you can connect your dito sa resend, no? So, hindi ko muna tatanggalin to, pero napakadali lang na ang paglalagay dito, no? So, just click this add domain and then dire-diretso na yan. So, ito yan. The next is add the booking link. Yan. So, ito ang nilagay ko. So, you can use Calendly as well. Let's say, for example, janiscalendly.com. Then Adrian. Yeah. Then save. And next is yun, set target niche. So dito, I suggest you can go with manual approval muna so that you'll be familiarized with the platform or semi-automatic. Kasi pag fully automatic yan, parang ano na yan, parang gagana na siya 24/7 and then medyo magastos na siya sa credits, no? So dito semi-automatic para kahit papaano mag-gauge mo siya, no? Then save lang. And then allowed niche, let's say for example, if you are into targeting, say for example, ako, no? Let's say for a real estate business, let's say ang target ko is yung kanina. So yung mga target ko is mga contractors, tapos mga real estate developers, business owners, Yan. Tapos block niches, yan, mga sugal yan, no? Then allowed cities, ito actually kahit wag mo nang lagyan, no? Pwede naman. Then target city, okay, sige, lagyan natin for the sake of this sample. Let's say Angeles City na lang. Yan. So right now, okay na yung ating profile. So kahit 89% goods na rin yan, no? So we are just only missing WhatsApp, Calendly, and a job title. Goods na yan. So next is, we are going here. Ito na yung pinakamagandang part. Wherein, you can be, ito yung ginagawa namin before na manually, wherein we are going to Google Maps and searching for, let's say for example, Solar State Developers. Yan. Yan, ginagawa namin before is, yan, pupunta dito sa Google Maps and then scroll pababa, titingnan mo kung sino yung mga profiles that are not performing well. Yan. Halimbawa, meron silang less reviews, tapos walang website. No, halimbawa, ito, no? Click mo yan. So, tingnan mo yung ano niya. Hindi siya kompleto, walang categories, no? So, i-claim pa, no? Walang website, no? Medyo matakaw sa oras. So, with this tool, we can be able to automate that one. So, dito, sa system is naglagay na kami ng ito, mga best niche to target. For example, no, if you are offering services like SEO services to such local businesses dito or in abroad, so sa system is nakalagay na yan. And then even yung potential monthly recurring income based on the data na data na nilabas ng AI is nakalagay na rin. For example, no, ito sa roofers, around $1,500 to $5,000 per month ang potential monthly recurring when it comes to those potential clients. Try natin yan. And then, ito, yung mga best locations to target. So these are urban cities or areas that has good economic activities and potential audiences for your services. Yan, New York, yan, some part of United States, UK, Australia, New Zealand, Ireland, even Singapore and Dubai are already in here. So, try natin, no, sa LA, and then roofers, Los Angeles, California, automatic ilalagay niyan dito sa search criteria. And then let's say ang target natin is kahit mga 10 muna, no? And then dito meron smart suggestions. Let's say for example, meron kasi madalas pag mga general terms like roofers, makita ko sa inyo, no? Ba nag-search ka roofers, no? So mangyari dyan, since it's a general search term, yung iba, halos malalaking companies ang lalabas, no? But if you are into specialized service, let's say, for example, yan, mga nag-offer ng emergency roofing, storm damage, roofers, yon, may mas malaking potential na hindi pa sila ganun ka highly competitive na niche with these target keywords. Okay? And then the prospect mode, so dito, so you can filter, let's say for example, ang target mo lang is yung mga walang website. If you are into web development or you are offering creating websites, so you can check this. Although this uses heuristic approach wherein possible na may makita siya or possible rin na wala. Because there are only few business profiles that don't have website. Halos meron, no? Pero hindi lahat. Example, yung pinagkita ko kanina, halimbawa to. So, nasa Google Maps siya, pero wala siyang website. No? Pero possibly, existing yung business, wala na siyang mga social media profiles or even a website, wala, no? Pero existing yung business. So, yun yung magandang potential clients na targetin. Kasi kung halimbawa, if you are offering web development, so since wala silang website, automatic, no, makikita nila yung value na ino-offer mo sa kanila, no? Which is the creation of a website. And then after the website, let's say for example, siyempre hindi lang nagtatapos sa website yan, kailangan din nila ng traffic. So you can offer digital marketing services, let's say for example, SEO or social media, no? Social media as a social media manager. So ganun. Then, ito, automatic na, exclude nyo na yung national chains. No? Ito yung mga medyo malalaking brands or malalaking businesses. And ito, pwede rin i-check to, exclude strong websites. No? So for the meantime, i-off muna natin itong mga to para makikita tayo ng mas mabilis na searches. So after that, pagkatapos muna set yun, kanina, emergency roofer. Okay. So kahit mga 10 lang muna para mabilis lang. Then run search. Yan. Then, yung system na maghahanap ng mga potential leads para sa iyo. So for example, itong mga to na, yan, halimbawa ito nakalagay, no? So category opportunity. So possible na yung category ng isang profile na to or isang business na to is hindi optimized. So walang website, which is good. So you can offer web development for his website. And then this one, ano ba, unlikely unclaimed. So yan, mga magandang target yan, mga good target opportunities. So next is, syempre, hanapin natin yung pwede nating ma-automate or ma-sendan ng email automatically. No? So click natin dong. Has website, no website, has email. Yan. So ito yung mga businesses na merong email. So pwede natin itong i-cold email. Before ginagawa namin to na mano-mano, no? Or using some bulk email sending platforms. Pero madalas ang nangyayari is napupunta sa spam. So with this one, with the system, pwede nating i-sequence niyan, no, na mag-start siya sa warming up the email hanggang sa paunti-unti, no, mag-ano siya, hindi siya basta-basta pupunta ng spam, no. So, ba sample lang to. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, no. Then click lang natin itong automate email sequence. Yun. And then, ito, mag-generate muna tayo ng outreach for this. Okay, so bago pala yun, no? Bago natin generate outreach. So, ang gagawin muna natin is magra-run muna tayo ng audit. So, ito yung kagandahan. Wherein wala ka pang ino-offer na services pero nag-provide ka na ng value sa kanila. And what's the value? Ito, tingnan natin. Yon. So, ang mangyari niyan is automatically is mag-audit siya, no, sa lahat ng chinek natin kanina. And yung audit report niya is ito, ganito ang itsura niya. Yan. So, yan. Kaya kanina, di ba, sabi ko is i-complete yung profile nyo because ang mangyari nun is automatically is maglalagay na siya ng mga links dito papunta sa mga contact mo. So let's say for example, if you provided your email, yan, pwede siyang mag-contact sa iyo through email, or if you have a website, yan, sa website na nilagay mo, then, mali. So ito pala yung mga contacts niya pala, ng business na to. So yung kanyang email, phone, yan, so meron siya mga social media accounts, and then, ito. So, ito yung audit. Ang next niyan is mag-create tayo ng mockup. No? So, pwedeng dito or pwede nating i-bulk yan. So, So, dito, sample natin tatlo, no? So, pwede tayo mag-generate mockups ng inbox. Yan. So, existing mockups detected. Yan. So, ang kagandahan dito with the system is para mas makatipid sa credits is, for example, meron ng existing mockup. So, you can just use that already generated mockup instead of creating a new one, or if you would like to create a new one pero gagamit siya ng mas maraming credits. Halimbawa dito, since existing na siya, so skip na lang and then 20 lang yung magagamit, no? Unlike dito, is 30 yung gagamitin. So ito, yan. So a mockup of the yan. Ito yung sample mockup. For example, no, you are offering web development or creating a website. So itong mockup na to is masisend sa kanya automatically via email. No, and then yung email, or let's say for example yung nilagay mo kaninang messenger URL, no? So pwede ka niyang makontak mula roon. Yan. Bawa to, pagka-click niya, so yan. Pwede ka niya kontakin. For example, hey man, I like the mockup that you created. Can you be able to create me something like this, no? With some more images and more parang mas related sa kanyang content or business. So of course, syempre pwede, no? And creating website now is very easy, no? So you can use Claude, Lovable, and other vibe coding platforms that are very easy to use. So if you are still into WordPress, pwede pa rin naman, no? Pero with WordPress right now, I think with their problem when it comes to, sino ba yung mga naka-WordPress dito, guys, by the way? Until now, still using WordPress. Yan. Can I see on the chat? WordPress. Can you type WordPress? If some of you are still using WordPress right now. Although there's no bad in using WordPress. Actually, WordPress is one of the most gamit na open source na CMS before and until now, no? I think WordPress is planning to have some integration with AI, pero with the introduction of vibe coding, dahil napakadaling gumawa ng website. Imagine, in just few minutes or wala mang isang minuto, meron ka ng website na magagawa. No, although that's for techie persons na, pero meron pa rin kasi mga, let's say for example, mga business owners na mga old school, so know how when it comes to those kind of things or stuff. So still they are using WordPress. So ano yung Sir Jonathan still using WordPress? No, actually for some of our clients, some of them are still using WordPress. No, although what I suggest to some of our clients, if they have a budget, no, they can migrate into more dynamic, no, lalo na kung if they want to, let's say for example, when it comes to website now, you can automate the website na mag-create ng sariling blog posts every day. Imagine that. Before, you need to hire a content creator, no? And then mag-edit ng image sa Canva. Ngayon, one click na lang yung content mo for the whole year, pwedeng automate na ng AI. So yun, WordPress with Claude, yan sinasabi ko kanina, guys. WordPress is integrating AI as well para maka-adapt sa napakabilis na changes na nangyayari ngayon sa freelancing industry. Yun. So balik tayo dito sa kanina, na. So, share my screen. Share screen. And so balik tayo sa kanina. So sa audit, Yan. So, that's only a sample, no? Siyempre, hindi mo nagaganda ng todo yan. Since, ano pa lang naman yun, parang ilalagay pa lang sa cold emailing, no? Yung sample email niyan, parang ganito siya. Sample. Punta lang tayo sa recent. Yan, parang mga ganito yan, guys. Ito ba yan? Ay, hindi pala yan. Sorry. Ito, parang ganito siya. So, masisendan siya ng ganitong email and then with your, kita ba? Yung footer na nakalagay. Kita pa ba? Nung kanina? Can you type yes kung kita pa sa screen? Ayun pala, sorry. So, can you type yes kung kita sa screen? Yes. Ito, kita ba? Itong email, cold email sample. Ay, wala. Teka lang. Ayun, yun. So, ito. So, sa mga automatic emails na sa system, so there will be the information or footer papunta sa, let's say for example, sa website mo, sa email mo, contact numbers, and your social media platforms. Kaya napaka-importante na ilagay yung mga or kompletuhin yung profile doon sa system para anytime na magsisend to ng email, no, automatic email, mangyari is, yan, meron ng contact agad sa iyo. Okay? So, ito yung sample. Yan, ba, itong audit report, nakalagay na dyan, isasend nyo yan sa mga leads mo. Yan, sample mockup website, then sample audit. Yan. So, ganyan na mangyari. Yan, isasend ng system yan automatically sa lahat ng leads na nahanap mo, no? Or nilagay mo na for automation. And then, yan, for example, to, no? Yan. So, yan. Ito yung automate email sequence, campaign, generate outreach muna pala. Yan. So, ito niyan, sa general outreach campaigns, dito, magsisend siya ng, halimbawa to, so scheduled, merong nakaschedule na 3 emails that will be sent. Yan, ito. Ito yung mga emails na masisend sa mga potential leads na nahanap ng system para sa iyo. So, email 1 will be sent right away. Then, email 2, just wait 3 days and then, ganun siya. So, nakaset na siya. Halimbawa to, ang sequence niya is within 14 days pero 3 emails ang sisend niya. Mga cold emailing. And then, ano na yan? Automatic na yan. There's also unsubscribe link wherein it will prevent spam, no? And ano to it's like kasama when it comes to when you are sending emails, napaka-importante na meron kang unsubscribe link. Why? So for example, hindi siya interested sa ino-offer mo, no? Or parang meron na siyang ganun type of service. So, ang mangyari nun is unsubscribe niya yun and then mababawas yung, kasi for example, meron ka lang limit na 100 emails sending per day. So, bawas na yun, no? Pwedeng pang ma-replace ng iba, no? Kasi dito, I believe, is, check ko lang na. Kanilang pricing. So ito, yung monthly limit ng free is 3,000 per month. Tapos daily limit is 100. No? So if you are, let's say, mag-update ka or mag-upgrade ka into $20 per month, so you have daily limit of, ayun, wala palang limit daily. Pero, meron kang 50,000 emails limit per month. No? Marami-rami na rin. No? Lalo na, dito kasi guys, ang labanan when it comes to lead generation is talagang parang ano yan eh, parang namimingwit ka. So, hindi mo alam kung ano yung mahuhuli mo. Potentially, merong small fry or pwede ring big fishes, di ba? So, ganun. So, that's why they call it cold emailing. Parang you are throwing stones in the dark. So, hindi mo alam kung sino mo tatamaan. Pero you never know, di ba? And then dito, ang kagandahan niya is meron ng mga templates na pwede mong magamit. Let's say, for example, if you want 7-day local SEO, if you are offering local SEO, pwede yan, no? Apply mo lang, and then i-replace niyo yung sequence, no? Into yan. Or let's say, for example, gusto mo na mag-build ka ng full authority within 13 days, yan. So within 30 days or 1 month, magsisend yan ng 7 emails. So more on, parang ano to, parang in-nurture muna, no? Yung mga potential clients. So yun, i-replacement sequence, di ba yan nun is magkakaroon ng 7 sequence yan. No? Hindi siya magiging spammy, no? Dahil 7 emails lang naman in a month. So yun, at saka meron siyang delays. So halimbawa, ito, pagka-send ng isa, mag-wait muna yan ng ilang mga days. So kaya it's a good thing na gawin niyo to gradual, no? Let's say for example, kung bago pa lang yung tawag dito, yung resend.com mo or email na gagamitin mo for your email marketing campaigns. So mas maganda is paunti-unti muna. So i-warm niyo muna yung email nyo. Unless kung halimbawa, meron kayong email na ginagamit na for email automation before, wherein yung probability niya for landing in the inbox is higher. So yun, pwede nyo na siguro gamitin. Let's say for example, around 500 plus emails a day. No, yun. Or if you have a website wherein you can be able to put newsletter wherein they will subscribe to your website, okay din yun. No? So ito yung kanina, no? So ang ginawa natin, yan, is nag-send siya ng email. So, tatlo yung sinend natin, isa yung nag-bounce. So, ibig sabihin, possible na yung, ibig sabihin, pag nag-bounce, hindi na-receive ng recipient. Pero yung isa, opens, no? Yan. So, na-open yung isa. So, ibig sabihin, na-open niya yung email message na sinend mo. And then, one click. No? Possible, may kinlik siya dun sa email message mo. So, ganun siya. Ha? And then, automatic na yan. So, yan, you can play with this. Yan. So, sa mga templates na to. Okay. Yan. So, that's one of the best feature of this platform. No? Actually, marami pa. Kaya lang, not sure lang kung may tatakil natin lahat ito. Pero ito yung gusto kong i-highlight. Kaya inuna ko na. No? So, itong Leads Finder. And you can play with this one and napakadali lang gamitin since they are already pre-filled na mga niches here and the target locations, matic na yan, no? All you have to do. And I'm planning to, right now kasi ang ginawa namin is put some 50 credits. So probably for sa lahat ng mga participants now or in the live stream, let me check lang kung ilan ba. So, probably mamaya magkakaroon tayo ng contest wherein I'll be giving uh, 5 winners of 1,000 credits, no, for you to use in the platform. Malay natin na makachamba. So, ang kagandahan kasi dito with this one is, ito lang, check ko lang yung ano namin na, aming platform overview. So, right now, there are 73 users, no? Still on beta test pa rin to. We are tweaking some part of the system kung paano makakatipid yung users in terms of credit usage, and kung paano magiging much more valuable para sa kanila for them to land clients, no, with the system. So based on our overview, so yung winning rate namin is around 2.7%. No, roughly, for example, ito 73 users, merong 4-1 campaigns, no? And then dalawang users with more than one campaign, so 2.7% winning rate. Siya ay gumastos ng halos around 4,500 credits or around $45 just to land a single client. Para mga ganun na competition niya, no? Based on our beta tests. So yan. So nag-conduct kami ng test nito sa isang client namin, and then naka-launch siya ng isang client na nag-opt-in sa kanila. So yun. So most probably sana mapababa pa namin to, wherein kahit kasi tsambahan dito eh, no? Kaya yun sabi sa inyo, malay natin, no? Or probably let's say you have already some target niche na alam nyo talagang napaka-konti yung competition. Now, one thing I've noticed with some local businesses na mababa yung competition are those in the fishing charters. No, pero napakalaki ng bayad nila when it comes to SEO services or local SEO services. No? Ito yung sinasabi ko, mga fishing charters businesses. Fishing charters. Ito ba? Gusto nyo rin ito. Usually, nasa sila? Nasa mga tabing dagat. So, ang tatargetin nyo dyan, yung mga, let's say, for example, some parts of the, Philippines pala to, some parts of US na malapit sa, let's say, Palm Bay ba yan? Yun. Mga ganyan. So, ito, isa lang to, and there's some other niches na magandang targets din. So, ayun, with the audit, and then, ano pa ba? Ito, yung, yan. Okay, so ano pala? Yung tinatawag naming, saan ba yan? Yun, ito yung credit usage guide. So what we did in here, guys, is we created a storage for all of the searches. Let's say, for example, no, merong nag-search ng roofer in Florida, no? So, ang mangyayari niyan is masasave yun sa system. Ngayon, kapag merong ulit nag-search ng roofer in Florida, bali, same search lang, di ba? No, ang mangyayari, since nakasave na siya sa database, hindi na siya gagamit ng malaking credits. So, with the API calls, yung kasi medyo magastos yung mga API calls. So, imagine when you are generating just one image, it will cost us around 4 to 5 pesos, no, for a single image. Ganon kagastos, no? Kaya ang ginagawa namin is nag-isip kami ng paraan kung paano siya mas mapapababa based on API calls. So what we did is this one. So we created a master lead database wherein all of the database, all of the searches that are already searched by the users will be stored, no, dito sa master lead database, and then they can be reused. So it will not use any API calls. So just system processing na lang mangyari. So instead of 3 credits ang kakainin niya, just 1 credit na lang, no? With that feature. So ganon ang mangyari, no? So balik tayo dito. Oops. Saan ba yan? Okay. And ito, meron kaming in-rate na playbook para sa inyo wherein you can use these strategies as well on how to get potential clients, no? Halimbawa dito, this is called the unclaimed GPP website replacement method. So all you have to do is open the lead finder, yung kanina, and then filter for the unclaimed GBP and plus no website, and then just generate AI mockup for the business, and then yon, click mo lang yung halimbawa dito, yung kanina. Saan ba yan? Yon, click mo lang itong suggest and edit. Yan. Saan ba yan? Back. So just suggest and edit, and then add your mockup URL sa website field. Halimbawa, yung kaninang ginawa natin. Ito, sample lang naman, no? Halimbawa to, sa sample lang natin. So, makakahanap ka ng website or mga, yan, sa Leads Finder kanina. Let's say, balik tayo sa Leads Finder. Yan, no? So, yung mga naka-save leads, tapos yung mga no website. Yan, filter mo lang yung no website. Yan, ba itong mga no website, itong mga to? Halimbawa, J3M. Yan. So, wala siyang website, di ba? So, ang gagawin mo nun is suggest and edit, and then add website. Yan. And then, lalagay mo dito yan. Then, click submit. Yun. So, manonotify yung possible na manotify not only Google but also the the owner of this Google business profile that there are some suggestions na nilagay or sinabit para sa GBP niya. So can you see the logic there? Na? So okay ba yun, guys? Kuha ba yung logic doon? Kung paano siya nag-work? Can you type yes? Kuha ba? Or gusto niyong ulitin ko? So, can you type yes kung nakuha niyo yung ano doon? Yung logic ng strategy na yon on how tawag dito, parang sneaky type. Pero napaka-powerful na strategy. Can you send thumbs up icon sa comment? Sir Joel Gabo said yes. Thank you. Ma'am Lorena Estrella Credo said yes. Sir June, Sir Falcon said yes. So, it's just only one of the... Ano ba yan? Balik tayo doon. Wala. Ayun. Balik na tayo dito. Yan. So it's just one of the local SEO plus AI acquisition strategy na ginagamit namin, no? And then there are other more. Halimbawa itong review gap strategy, broken website strategy, page to Google Map strategy. Yan. Actually, 10 yan. And then we are planning to add more soon. Halimbawa itong geo domination method. Yan. Or on how to scale your local SEO agency system So soon idadagdag namin yung mga ano dyan. And ginawa namin is yung madali na lang silang sundan. So wala nang long form na content wherein i-google mo pa or i-research mo pa kung anong ibig sabihin. So ang ginawa namin is ano na lang, parang step by step, no? Even yung expected results is naka-compute na. No? So yung mga ganyan. So yun, mas pinadali, no? Actually, that's one of the good thing with AI. Mapapadali mo yung talagang mahirap na task before, before yun, ginagawa namin before, wherein napakatagal. Imagine, kiklik mo yan, tig isa-isa, hanapin mo pa, tapos kiklik mo tig isa-isa. So with this one, so hanapin na system and then, yun, ganun na lang kadali. No? And other client acquisition technique na ginagamit namin is, for example, nandito ka, no, sa Leads Finder. May close ko na nga to, nalito ako. Yan, so, halimbawa nandito sa Leads Finder. So, yung mga best prospects dyan is nakasave na, no? Yan, halos mga no website, likely unclaimed, no description. So, ang ginagawa namin is, pwedeng halimbawa, puntahan mo to. And then, just, teka lang. Yan. I-check mo tong filter na has Facebook. And then, just go to their Facebook page. Yan. Yung Facebook page. Most likely, this Facebook page are business Facebook pages. No? Napakalaki ang possibility na magre-reply sila. No? Unlike if you are searching for an individual person and then i-chat mo directly sa Facebook, napakalaki ang possibility na ma-suspend yung account mo or ma-halt for some few days because of spamming. No? With this one, since they are Facebook pages, no, ang mangyari dyan is pwede mo silang i-message, no, and then send a cold message. No? Now, yung cold message na gagawin mo is meron na rin naka-ready. Halimbawa dito, sample lang. So, yan, no? So, meron nang naka-ready cold email or eto, yung cold cold message, no? So, copy mo lang to and then click mo tong open channel. Yan, ito yung kanyang Facebook account. So, copy message, tapos click mo yan, then message mo lang. Tagal. Dito guys, mas preferred ko if you are into contacting directly on social media, I suggest you use a phone. Mas mabilis pagka sa mobile phones. Unlike on desktop, no, medyo matagal yung pag-open ng pag maramihan. So kaya ako ginagawa ko is I will open this app sa phone, no? And by the way, you can download this app as well. So on your phone yun. Yan, yung link is nasa pinakaibaba. No? Download app. Yan. Then paste mo lang dito. Oh, hi, Rock and Model and Design Build. Quick note, notice audit generation started. I put together free audit for you, etc., etc. No? And possible, probably in the next few days, we will, if we can be able to automate that. Pero I believe it's not possible yet, no, with the policies that Facebook has. So much better if you have an alternate Facebook account. Just make sure don't use your personal account, no? Just in case man na mangyari is masuspend. But there's no, you still have your other or your original Facebook account, no? So ganun. Or you can start warming up. Let's say for example, you send at least 10 cold message in 1 hour, and then gradually increase it after 2 hours, 3 hours, or every day doon ka nag-gradual increase ng cold messaging mo via Facebook Messenger or LinkedIn. Yan, pwede rin guys. If the potential client has a LinkedIn, yan, pwede rin, or WhatsApp, no? Sa phone call, napakadalang gamitin to, no? So, most likely, Facebook Messenger or Instagram DM. So, yun. Okay ba guys? Learning. Marami bang nakakuha na value sa ating webinar? Okay ba? Yes, ma'am. Actually, talagang ganon. Parang clickbait. No? Parang sending them a bait. Yun yung way mo para makapag manotice ka nila. Na? So, yung kanina sinasabi ni Ma'am Lorena is yun, yung suggest an edit sa Google Business Profile. So, yun. And there's a lot more. No, yun. Tingnan nyo na lang po sa playbook na ginawa namin. Yan, ito. So, nandyan na lahat, no? So, susundin nyo na lang. Parang parang as easy as 1, 2, 3. No? So, ganun. So, ito yung ginawa natin kanina. So, very easy. No? And marami pa yan. Soon. Actually, yung masterclass mo hindi ko na masyadong na-update dahil na-busy talaga ako dito guys. So, almost 2 months ko tong ginagawa. So, yung buong system. And then, meron pa kaming, actually, we have a tool for our processes, lalo na when it comes to ranking. Kasi ganito yun Baka nakakuha ka ng client. No? Siyempre, di naman nagtatapos doon yun. Let's say, ginawa mo siyang website, or let's say, for example, meron siyang website, i-render mo yung mga services mo, no? So, irarank mo yung website niya. So, we have a tool together with my partners, John and Bri and Jet. So, we created what we call this Buzz.io. So, ayan. Ito yung mga ginagamit naming tools to rank our client's website. No? So, ayan. Wherein you can be able to generate hundreds of SEO pages, no, for clients, and then that will be easily deployed and indexed. No? And then we are using GradRank Checker as well to test or to check if kung anong part sila ng target location nila na nagra-rank sila, and then kung ano yung hindi pa, then we can enlarge the scope, no, or the target. So ayan, mga medyo hindi naman advanced, pero part of the ranking processes para yung website and Google Business Profile ng client will have more traffic and possibly rank on Google Maps, general search, and AI searches as well. So yan. And good thing with Buzz.io is meron din kaming ito, which is my favorite. And ito talagang pinaghirapan ng aming developer. So what I did is automate the clicking of directions, clicking of phone calls, site visit, brand search, more on SERP clicks para mapataas yung rankings ng isang Google Business Profile or even the website. No, it's what we call the CTR booster. So yan. And we are using residential IP addresses for this one. Let's say, for example, the client wants to rank in a certain area, let's say, for example, Colorado. So, ang mangyayari with the CTR booster, ang gagawin niya is it will use some proxies along with that particular area, and then it will generate, or it will parang, let's say, fake clicks. That's one of the ranking factor kasi when it comes to Google. Actually, ang Google Rank Brain is napakatagal na, pero until now, kasama pa rin siya sa mga ranking factor. So imagine if you can do that, clicking of directions, automatically, kumbaga, hindi mo na gagawing manual. So you can manipulate the process. So that's why we created this tool called CTR Booster. So yun, you can try it if you like. And then yung local SEO masterclass ko, na actually I have only mga 249 students. And from time to time, meron pa rin mga nag-enroll pa isa-isa, dala-dalawa in a month or two, ganyan. And what I'm doing is parang gusto kasi mas personal approach eh. Di baling kakaunti yung tinuturuan ko. Ang gusto ko is mas sila, kumbaga mas yung value na maibigay ko sa kanila. Kaya eto guys sa atin lang, with these 249 students na I have since pandemic, some of them became my partners when it comes to my local SEO services, wherein pag minsan meron akong student na coach niya, bago pa lang ako sa masterclass pero nakakuha na ako ng client. Ngayon, ang problema ko naman is ang daming pinapagawa ng client, pwede ko bang ma-outsource ito sa inyo? So, that's where our partnership started. Sige, if you like, we can do 50-50. So, if you order this one and that one, so I can give you 50% off. So, if your client is paying, let's say for example, $200, so 100 tayo, wala kang gagawin, kami lahat. Just sit back, relax, and enjoy, and then send ko na lang sa iyo report. So, ganun nag-set up namin since pandemic. And I'm glad, and I'm very proud of my students na some of them right now are or do have their own SEO agencies na. No? So, kudos to that. And I hope more wins for you guys, and for those that are still new, no, or nag-purchase ng course pero hindi pa tinapos. Actually, the course is more on practical, no? It's more on practical application. So it's para siyang timeless kasi gagamitin mo is the marketing or client hunting techniques, no? Although some of them are manual before na ginagawa namin. So with the use of AI, and good thing, so nakakasabay pa rin tayo sa AI. So yun. So mas mapapadali yung ating client acquisition, no? So yun, enough with the patalastas. Balik na tayo ulit dito sa ating platform. No, so after the playbook, itong mga to guys, mga easy to explore na ba itong mockups. Actually, ito yung mga mockups na na-send natin recently. Yung mga audits, nakasave lahat yan sa system. Then, booking CRM, yan, outreach campaigns, yung kanina, and then the proposals. No? Kasi dito, pwede mo rin ma-automate yung sending of proposal. Halimbawa to, no? So, yan. So, with the proposal, halimbawa, no? Di ang nangyari niyan, kinontak ka na sa Calendly. No? Sino ba dito guys ang gumagamit ng Calendly? Can you type Calendly in the comments? Calendly. If you don't have Calendly, most likely yung iba pwedeng gumamit ng, like ako, no? Hindi rin ako masyadong gumagamit ng Calendly. Ang gamit ko ay sarili kong booking system, or kahit simple na messenger lang, no? So, a good thing with this one is meron ka nang pwedeng may present na proposal sa kanila. Halimbawa, hey man, Adrian, I saw your email and I'm interested in your offer. So, can we have a quick call? Yan, parang mga ganun, na. Parang yung kanina, merong nag-email sa akin na saan ba siya? Eto. Yan. Oops, yan. Ganyan, no? So, yan. So, are we ready for, do you have a time for a quick meeting? Yan, parang mga ganyan. So, ang gagawin mo lang noon is, of course, syempre, laging go lang yan, kahit hindi pa lang gagawin, di ba? So, if opportunity knock, no, on your door, kahit hindi mo lang gawin, just say yes, no? And then just learn to how to do it later. We have Google, we have all of the resources that we can use, no? So dito, let's say for example, nag-book na siya ng call sa iyo. So ngayon, ang usual na nakikita kong nagiging problem ng mga new freelancers is that they were able to find clients pero hindi nila alam i-close. Kasi nandun na eh. Parang ganun yan eh. Kumuha ka ng mangga, nakuha mo na yung mangga, napitas mo na yung mangga, pero ang problema, hindi mo makagat. No? Hindi mo makain. No? Ngayon, doon ka na stuck. Kasi hindi mo alam i-close. So ito yung I think that will help a lot for new freelancers na nahihirapan sa pag-close. Anyone ba dito na hirap sa pag-close or when it comes to conversation is medyo nahihiya or ang problem nila is language barrier. So anyone, can you type closing? So closing. Can you type closing? Ay, ang dami ko na closing sa akin lahat. So anyone na merong nahihirapan when it comes to closing clients. Closing. So yun, no, yung mga halos nagiging problem ng mga freelancers is they don't know how to close the deal. They have a very good offer, no? They have a very good pricing, packages, but when it comes to yung i-close mo na yung deal, doon ka nahihirapan. Why? No? One reason is because you don't have a system. No? Wala kang system na sinusundan para ma-entice mo yung client na i-close yung deal. So, here's one practical example that I can share to you guys. So, when you are in the proposal page, say for example, ito, no? So, while you are talking with your potential client, so you can show this one to him, no? So, ang papakita mo dito is magkakaroon ka ng parang price comparison. Tatanungin mo lang. Ang pinaka-technique dyan is tanong ka lang ng tanong. Di ba? All usual nangyayari is parang sa mga job interviews, ikaw ang tinatanong. Di ba? Sa atin hindi dapat ganoon. Dapat tayo ang nagtatanong. No? Kasi dito tatanungin ka, hey Adrian, what you can say about the latest SEO trends that's happening right now and what strategies that you can recommend to make my website or business grow faster. Siyempre, meron ka sagot dan, no? Napakasimple, no? Pero, what if, kung baliktad, ikaw ang magtatanong sa kanya? Hey man, let's say for example, hey Henry, can you tell me about your business so that we can be able to know on what are the possible reasons why there are some hiccups or some goals or targets that you are having some hard time to complete. Say for example, are you using ads? Are you using Google ads? Are you using Facebook ads? So here, ito, papakita mo sa kanya. Here, in my proposal, so if you are spending. Say, for example, ano saan ba yan? Pakita ko lang. Okay. Okay, sige, dito na lang. Punta tayo dito sa yung mismong actual na, sa ROI calculator. So, while you are showing this, pwede mo ring ipakita sa kanya to. So, halimbawa, no? Hey man, let's say for example, how many leads you want per month? So, sasabihin niya, okay, I like 50. Then, what's your closing rate? No? And then, yung average deal value, cost per lead. Halimbawa, ito, papasok na. Are you doing Google Ads? Yes. So, ilan yung target mo let's say, every month? So, sabi ang target ko na cost per lead cost per from Google Ads. Let's say, ang budget ko dyan is kahit mga $50 lang per lead, no? Per lead yun. And then, ito, dito ko papasok niyan. Yung, what if I can show to you a possibility on what you can save, no? Comparing to your Google Ads or Facebook Ads expenses. So, are you interested into that? Siyempre, sagot niyan, yes. Siyempre, kung saan makakatipid, di ba? So, dito napapasok yung itong ROI calculator na gagamitin mo sa kanya. So, just share your screen. Papakita mo sa kanya to. So, while you are talking with the client, so pinapakita mo sa kanya yung numbers. So, ang target mo dito na ma-hit sa kanya is yung kanyang yung makatipid siya. Yun. Kahit naman ikaw, di ba? Halimbawa, pupunta ka ng SM. Bibilihin mo sana. No? Di ba parang kami nung nakaraan, punta kami ng SM. Bibili kami ng stroller. Pagkita ko, sabi ko, mahal naman. Stroller lang, 10,000. Eh di, titignan ko niyan. Search ako sa Shopee. 1,500 lang. Imagine, ang dami mong matitipid. Kasi stroller gagamitin mo lang for how many, let's say, sabihin natin 1 year. So, and then, ano na yun, nakatambak na lang yun, no? So, with the value of money that someone is offering, ang laki ng tipid mo, no? So, parang ganon, kukunin mo siya sa ganon. So, halimbawa, say for example, yan, sa calculation mo, ganito, ganyan nangyari. Say, for example, in your Google Ads, your monthly cost is around 2,500 and then your cost per lead is 50. Your monthly revenue na ang sabi mo is kinikita mo per month is 15,000. So, ROI mo is 500%. Now, yung 1 year cost nun is $30,000. What if I can offer you an alternative cost-efficient strategy or campaign that we can apply to your business? Let's say, for example, dito, no? Actually, hindi 97 to. Sobrang mura naman. Let's say 600 na lang. No? Let's say, what if I can offer to you this one? So, just a monthly cost of $600. So, your effective cost per lead is 12%, but your monthly revenue is the same. And then your ROI is around $2,400. That's around 5 times of what you are having on your Google Ads. So, are you interested in that offer? Siyempre, sinong hindi? Diba? Iyari na siya doon. So, yun. So, napakita mo na sa kanya yung numbers and then, siyempre, hindi ka na mahirap i-close nun. Kasi nakita niya na yung yung value na ino-offer mo sa kanya. So, can you see that? So, yun, kapag ganon, halimbawa, okay. So, saan ba yan? Back ko lang, no? Proposals. For example, na-send sa kanya. Yan. O, sige. Sample lang naman to. Okay, sige. If you are interested with that, So can you accept my proposal? Accept. Then yun. No? So you can close here or you can close via messenger, via email, via phone call. So it's up to you. So yan. Okay ba guys? Still still coping up with what we are talking about? Okay ba? Okay ba? So can you type yes in the comment section for me to know if you are still awake or if you need some coffee? Okay pa ba? Can you type yes? Medyo dali lang to. Okay, yes, yes. Thank you guys. And anyways, we have a replay after this, so I'll be posting this on some of our groups and on the community. For those that were not able to attend the webinar, they can still see the the video. And lastly, siguro ito na muna, no? Parang pambonus ko na lang sa inyo to, guys. Another rin kasing napapansin ko with on how freelancers are having some hiccups or nagkakaroon ng trouble is, yes, meron pa yan, syempre. Akala ko may pre-GCash. Meron yan. So, ano pa yan? Wala pa tayo sa Q&A. So, lapit na yan, Sir Alan. So, ito, siguro, I just want to add this as well, no, in using AI contents, no? Ito, pansinin nyo na guys, kung sa tingin nyo ay mukhang AI, let me know. Oo, gawa siya sa AI. Pero actually, even I myself, nalilito pag minsan. No? Kasi talagang napakagaling ng AI ngayon. Imagine you can, ito, meron ba sound? Halimbawa ito guys. Ito, pansin nyo to. Meron ba sound? Meron sound. Meron ba siyang sound? Dinig ba yung sound? Meron ba siyang sound? Narinig nyo? Can you type yes kung merong sound? Wala. Teka lang, paano ba yan? Ay. Anyways, sige. If you will scroll down to sa my past videos or reels, like for example, this one, no? I'm just using AI to generate this. And napakasimple, no? For the use of what we called, halimbawa to. Yan. This is only AI. Yan. Halata naman to, no? Halata naman AI. Pero itong mga bandang part na to is hindi nag-aano. No? Before, para makagawa ako ng ganyang headshot real video, it will took me some few hours, tapos edit mo pa, tapos maglalagay ka pa ng mga clips sa bawat section ng video, yung mga ganyan. No? So, it will take a lot of time. Pero now with AI, napakadali na lang. Just use HeyGen. Yan, halimbawa ito, no? So, I created this one using avatar cloning. So, you can clone yourself and then you can use your own avatar or own picture or video na gagawa ng or sasabihin yung script para sa iyo, wherein the mouth, yung boses, yung wherein yung boses and yung buka ng bibig is kuwang-kuha ng AI, no? So when it comes to positioning yourself as an expert, it's very crucial for you to market yourself as well, no? Siyempre, ikaw yung expert Parang ganun mangyari dyan eh. So since you are the expert, so you are creating some contents that will generate value for your clients. So that will be achieved by creating contents. So remember, you are not only marketing yourself, you are the product of your own services. No? Parang minamarket mo dyan yung sarili mo. Yung face value mo. So, para mas mapadali yon, use AI, mas mabilis. Dali na lang. So, with this tool, yan, HeyGen, we integrated it into the system. What we called, dito, what we call Creative AI Studio. So, all you have to do is just click this new reel in here, and then, yan, upload mo lang yung picture mo, yan, and then put some, let's say for example, title dito, sabihin natin, local SEO for roofers. Yan, punta kang ChatGPT. Yan. Create me a script, an enticing script, an enticing and high converting script for this 1 minute only. Yan, local SEO for roofers. Yan. So, madali yan. Use GPT. So, copy this one. So, copy mo yan. Punta ka ng HeyGen. Click avatar. Avatars. Saan tayo? Okay, so yun lang. Wait lang. Or if you don't want to use HeyGen, you can use your own video. Pwede rin. Yan. Then, type mo lang yan. Paste mo lang dyan. So, dito, when it comes to HeyGen, they have 3 variations. So, the one na pinaka-latest nila na that can mimic your the opening of your mouth, yung gestures, yung even yung pag ano ng mata, yon. So Avatar 5, and then yan, ito, imagine mo yung boses, kuwang-kuha. Okay. Then, enter mo lang yan. Automatic na yan na mag-generate ng tawag dito, avatar video para sa'yo. No? That will mention the text in here. So, wait lang natin, no? O kaya, sige, ganito lang gawin natin. Tayo dito. Matagal nga lang to, no? So, samplein na lang natin sa mga nagawa ko ng ibang video. So, halimbawa to. Ito na lang. So, ang gagawin mo lang dyan is punta ka dyan, then click transcript, then copy mo to, yan, copy, and then go to the platform again. Sorry, man. Yan, Creative AI Studio, click New Reels, tapos SEO, local SEO for roofers, tapos you can use avatar, or if you don't want, you can use just select this one. Then, yan. Or you can use, let's say for example, gusto mo ng ibang, ito kasing picture na to, as mangyari, ito yung magiging part ng series of image that will be generated in here. Or you can import automatically from HeyGen, limbawa to. Kaya lang, pag halimbawa, pag sobrang habang ganyan, so copy and paste mo na lang. Then create and analyze. Yun. Then analyze and extract. So what it will does is it will generate 10 scenes or 9 to 10 scenes wherein, yan ito, taka lang click mo itong generate all images. So this one will be for your thumbnail, no? Twice natin to. Yan. Kaya mo talaga ito, talagang magkiklik-click ka na lang. So hook optimize, generate, so ayan. So it will generate a series of images based on the script that you put in here. No, yan. So yan, ano yan? Mga nasa 9 to 10 including the thumbnail. So yan. So if you don't want a face in your ang mangyari sa para mga scenes ito eh. Halimbawa to, pakita ko lang. Ito, halimbawa to, sample. So ang mangyari is you have the Heigen video. Yan, yung video coming from Heigen, and then i-edit mo na lang yan using your CapCut. So CapCut is free, you can use CapCut for free. Then yung mga tawag dito, yung mga images na generate mo, yan, halimbawa yan, na-generate mo yun, di ba? Actually, image lang yan. Yun, tingnan. Yan, yung nag-scroll siyang ganyan, image lang yan. Pero paano siya nag-animate, no? In Canva, in CapCut, there's a tool that you can animate an image using AI. So, lalagay mo lang doon is, click mo yung image, tapos animate with AI. You can use Seedance 1.0, yung Dreamy na 1.0 para less credits, no? Actually, I believe if you have a premium CapCut subscription, meron siyang 1,600 ata na credits per month na nagro-roll over. So, yun. Actually, 1,600 kasi per image na i-animate mo, it will consume only around 14 credits. So, in that 14 credits, napakaraming image na lang na pwede mong may animate. So, let's say for example, meron kang 1,600 credits. Ano yan? Every month yan kapag naka-CapCut Pro ka. Not sure, no? Not sure. Pero check nyo na lang. 1 by 14. So, you can animate 114 images. Say, let's say for example, every 114, every video na gagawin mo is kailangan mo lang i-animate ang 10 pictures. So, let's say 10. So in that 1,600, you can generate 11 videos, no? Or depende kung halimbawa gagawin mo lang is 5 scenes lang, yung mga clips na ba yan? Yan, halimbawa yung ganyan, mga clips na ganyan. Kung 5 lang yan, hindi mas marami kang magagawa, no? So yung value for money is okay, no? Hanggat matitipid mo, hanggat ma-stretch mo, then siguro dagdag na lang sakali, just in case you need some more, no? So balikan natin yung kanina. So yan, it will generate a series of images based doon sa script. Yan, based dito sa script. Ngayon, kapag nandiyan ka na sa CapCut, gagawin mo na nun is mag-overlay ka na lang. Siguro, wala lang tayo sa phone eh. Mas madali kasi itong gawin sa phone. Siguro it will only took you around 5 minutes to create a 5, yes, kung alam mo yung gagawin mo, mga 5 to 10 minutes lang siguro, you can be able to generate a single video, a 1-minute video reels, no? Pero, kagandahan nun is you have a content, no? Hindi mo na kailangan mag-record from time to time, so medyo hassle, no? So, yun. With Hagen, tapos with this automated creation of images and then i-animate mo lang sa CapCut, meron ka ng content. Just like this one. Yan, mga ganyan. So, ayan guys, halos AI lot yan. No? So, learning. Na-try ko rin sir with the comment ni Sir Alan. Mas maganda yata sa Hagen kesa sa CapCut. Actually, Hagen, yes, maganda siya. Pero ang problema lang is medyo magastos. No? Na-try ko yung seed dance ng Hagen. Ubus kagad ang credits ko. Tapos, ang mahirap pa nun is kapag hindi mo nagustuhan yung output, ulitin mo na naman. Sayang credits. So, what I'm doing para mas makatipid is use CapCut from image to video conversion. No? I-animate niyo yung image. So, ang lalagay mo lang naman na ano nun is sa pag i-animate mo, animate, add visual effects, or it's up to you kung anong gusto mong ipagawa sa ano. Kung anong klaseng AI or kung anong klaseng mga effects pa ang gusto mong idagdag. So, yun. Okay. So, yun. So, okay ba? So, marami ba natunan guys? Okay ba yung webinar natin right now? Kaboses ng pareho po itsura pag CapCut. Pag CapCut, sir, ang hindi. hindi yung magiging kaboses sa CapCut. Na-try ko na eh. Iba pa rin talaga pag Hagen Avatar 5 ang gamit mo. Talagang kuha yung boses, pati yung buka ng bibig. Yun. Ganon siya kapag Hagen ang gamit mo. And then, yun, para makatipid, yung sinasabi ko kanina, mag-generate ka ng tawag dito, series of images. Yan. Based on your script. And then, mag-add overlays ka na dyan. And then, yan, i-animate mo na lang yan para makakreate ka ng medyo interactive and looks professional na content. Na, of course, gagamitin mo rin yan for marketing purposes. Ganun siya. Okay, so siguro, actually marami pa akong gustong pero kulang lang tayo sa oras. And actually magto 2 hours na pala tayo, no? And we're running out of time. Siguro before we go with the raffle, punta muna tayo sa Q&A. So guys, let's open the table for the Q&A. So anyone who have any questions regarding SEO, local SEO, regarding this particular webinar, if you have or are you having some trouble when it comes to dealing with clients, finding potential clients. So if you have some questions, just drop them below. Okay? Not sure kung late yung ko dito. Okay. Sige. Check ko lang sa phone ha. Parang delay kasi dito eh. Okay guys, wait lang ha. Check ko lang kung mayroong question sa video. Ayun. Oo, late nga. Sige. Ayun, sabi ni Sir June, Coach, yung sa VAS ba, everything sa implementation na what we can do there since client acquisition to GMS Ranker as far as I understand. Yes, sir. VAS is more on the on the ranking processes. Say for example, meron ka ng client, no, and then you are offering SEO or local SEO services on how to make them or on how to make their business rank on search engines and AI searches. So you can use Buzz for that. Yes, Gmaps Ranker AI is more on the client acquisition part. No? Yes, sir. Siyempre, may discount tayo dyan. Sabi ni Sir Joel Gabo, sana may discount yung students. Meron, sir. Of course. We'll send the coupon code later sa group na lang siguro. No? And then sa lahat ng participant of the webinar, so you will be given automatically just send me your email or mamaya after this just PM me, send me your email, and then we will give you 100 free credits on GMAPS Ranker AI. Okay ba yan? So just to test this out. I-ano muna, abunuin ko muna yung pag-generate nyo ng Actually sa image pa lang guys, yung kanina, kada image for 4 to 5 pesos, no? Pero sa part ng yon ng system, no? Sa part ng system yon. Ngayon, ang ginagawa pag minsan, although medyo matrabaho kasi pag naka-chat GPT ka, actually I try yan dito, pwede mong i-try Creative AI Studio. Pwede mong pwede kang gumamit ng iba't ibang provider, no? So, let's say for example, ito, Gemini Nano Banana, gusto mabilis, best quality, or ChatGPT. Ako mas preferred ko pa rin itong ChatGPT Image 2. Or kung gusto mong makatipid, di ka gagamit ng credits, prompt mo na lang, no? Tapos ilagay mo yung prompt sa mismong ChatGPT or Gemini. So, ganun siya. Ano pa ba? So, may email template po ba for every service dyan aside from SEO? Actually, siya ang ginawa namin is the template is applicable for all niche, no? Ang nag-iiba lang is yung strategy. Kasi for example, gusto mo ng mabilisan, 7 days lang, or nurturing mo muna, 1 month. Yung mga ganun siya, ganun yung template nila. Pero soon, we will, tawag dito, we will create some templates na, let's say for example, if you are into targeting roofing only, so possible mapagawa namin sa AI ganun. No? Doon yung kanina pala, no? Di natin naipakita yun dito. So ito sample na lang natin. So ito kasi ginagamit namin for, halimbawa kung business owner sila, syempre ang target nila is yung audiences. Teka lang, hindi pala to stage. So yun dito pala, ipakita ko lang. Yung kanina na tinakil natin pero hinintay natin, hindi pala nag-load. Na-close ko yata. So halimbawa ito, no? Real estate. Let's say for example, I'm offering lots for sale. Lots for sale. No? Tapos ang target ko, Philippines na lang. No? Tapos any size. Tapos yun. Find targets. So dito, yung i-generate niyang outcome are the best possible na clients, no, na pwede nating i-target sa Leads Finder. Yeah. So just please bear with the system. Medyo medyo matagalan ng konti dito. Dahil ito, I believe, kakagawa lang. Yon. So dito, let's say for example, you are a business owner and then you are targeting potential clients or individuals that are in the maps. So pwede mo magamit tong business target finder. So for this one, let's say for example, I'm a real estate agent and I'm offering lots for sale, no, residential, house and lot, para mga ganun. So my possible target are, pwedeng real estate developer, yung mga warehouse, itong mga tingnan mo kaganda ang result niya. Since you are offering mga lots for sale, ang hahanapin mo daw niyan is yung mga naghahanap ng mapagtatayo ng warehouse, which is napaka wise, no? O nga naman, pag maghahanap ng warehouse yan, hahanap yan lote lang, no? And then hahanap yan hindi maliit, warehouse so malaking lote. So let's say for example, if you are selling or if you are an agent for an owner of a huge lot area, so possible na pwede mong targetin yung mga may-ari ng warehouse. Or yung mga real estate agency na rin, no? Kasi meron na mga connection yan sa mga potential buyers. Yan, mga logistics service. Parang nung nakarami, nagpapanap sa akin ng lote daw na pagpaparkingan ng mga truck. Galing, So pwede mo daw targetin yan yung mga logistics service. Or custom home builder, na general contractor na may connection na sa mga clients, tracking company, manufacturer, self-storage facility, event venue, yung mga nagtatayo ng resort, di ba? Car dealer, pagpaparking ng sakyan, gas station. Maganda, no? So, ang gagawin mo lang nun is ito. So, warehouse, punta ka sa Leads Finder, then niche, warehouse. Tapos sabi niya dito is dito. Yan. Or pwede natin tingnan dito. Yan. Yung pala, mabilis pala dun. So, warehouse in Mabalacat. Yan. Okay. And then, run search mo lang nun. Wala, masyado yata. Para mabilis lang. 10 na lang. Okay. Mabalacat pala to. Masyado maliit. Kakaunti lang ata ang warehouse dito sa Mabalacat na. Yan. So, halimbawa, yung mga ganyan, no? Actually, medyo pangit ang result niya dito. No? Pero let's say, for example, if you are targeting other cities, no? Maglalabas yan ng tsaka kasi ito, medyo kakaunti lang naman talaga ng mga nag-warehouse. No? Kaya possible nakita niya is kakaunti lang din. No? So, yon. So, just explore. No? Ganun lang. So, gagamitin nyo na lang. And then, just let me know if you have some suggestions, guys. Mapapagana ba, sir, yung Gmaps ranker kung wala kang domain? Yes, sir. Pwede siya. No? Pwede siya kahit wala kang domain. Pwede siya mapagana. Hindi ko lang na-tackle, no? Pwede siya sa Gmail. Siguro, gawan ko na lang ng separate video yon, no? Yung pagsisetup sa Gmail account. So, kahit wala kang domain, if you don't have a domain, kahit walang resend.com, so you can still use Gmail account. Although um, ang problema lang with Gmail accounts is yon, mas high risk sila na mapunta sa spam. No? Ganun na siya. So, okay. Sige, siguro let's wrap it up. Okay, yun guys. So, thank you so much for joining the free webinar. And siguro just one, just one favor. If you can share this video and share what you learned in the webinar, I think this will help the community to grow much bigger. And for those that who wants to learn more about local SEO, AI, search engine optimization, yeah, automation, that can be able to help their career fund or make it more better and earn much more. So yun, I hope it will help a lot. So yun guys, thanks so much and have a pleasant day. Bye-bye.